Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What's Next from Financial Independence Channel. So this is regarding the weekly forecast and trade setup for the coming week. So let's look. Uh, Currently, on Friday, the HGS Nifty closed at 70 points higher. Dow Jones 129 points, 150 points higher. So coming back to our Indian markets, on Friday, it made a pin bar candle. Nifty made a pin bar candle, which is also a bullish candle. So the expectation is I expect the market to bounce back from here or hover around here for a period of time, because if you see 15,700 is acting as a very high support as of now. Also the equilibrium which has been shattered since the move from May, that has been already, the equilibrium has been set. So I don't think there may be a much fall from here. So if there is any negative global cues, then it may fall. Otherwise, I think that this may consolidate a bit here, or it may try to retest 15,800 and 880, or a new all-time high may come. So the coming week, it will be stock specific as usual. There may not be any much expectation from the index moves, especially Nifty and Bank Nifty, because considering the heavyweight index, uh, their positions, I don't expect there may be any much big move on the Nifty or Bank Nifty index. So the stock specific actions, especially on the mid caps and small caps, still continue, but trade with a caution on the small caps and mid caps, because it has been a short span and there has been a huge run happened, a huge valuation happened on that counters. So coming to Reliance exactly took support around the area, and if you see for the past 1 week, for the last like the last week prediction we had discussed about market would take support, uh, sorry, Reliance would take support around this area, and exactly took support around the area. And anything the next coming week, if it sustains above 61.8% retracement, which is above 2135, then it will try to retest 2200 levels in another 3 to 5 weeks. HDFC Bank HDFC Bank, for the past 1 week, it was continuously falling, but let me go to the day chart. So if you see continuous 5 days, it is falling, but it took support around the trend line. So now the trend line will act as the support. So above 21 days EMA and above 4,492, it will again try to retest this supply area. So this is a strong supply area. This continues to be the strong supply area, 1,515 and 1,528. So closing above this will be the next move or the next leg of rally for both HDFC Bank and uh, Bank Nifty. So please note these levels for the coming month also. So ICC Bank, after falling for the past 4 days, it took support around the trend line and it has made a Marubusu candle, which is also a bullish candle. Above 644 again, it will try to retest 650, 660 levels. So again, ICC Bank, HDFC Bank above the said levels will bring Bank Nifty above 35,500 and 36,000 levels. So I am still continue to be bullish on the index front until unless there is a big fall coming from the heavyweight index. SBAN, SBAN is still strong after making 3 consecutive red candles. It is taking support on the 21 days EMA and it is trying to break above or move above. Coming to Nifty IT, I think it is trying to retest its, it is trying to break this 100% extension levels, and once it sustains above, it may start moving. So there is a pack of IT stocks which are going to declare its uh, results in the coming week. So one has to be extremely cautious around TCS, Infi, because they are almost at higher levels. but still TCS I am expecting 3,500 levels in the short term. So if you see TCS, it is still struggling around that reversal point, harmonics reversal point. So one can focus on small caps and mid caps, especially on the specialty chemicals, which are performing good. Companies like Deepak Nitrate, uh, Navin Fluorine, and Atul. So companies like these can give us good short-term returns as of now. So we have to focus on the small caps which are performing good. So every day there are minimum 10 to 15 percentage moves in most of the small caps and mid caps. I will come up with the uh, I will come up with the list of stocks to focus on the mid caps and small caps on our group. Nifty Auto. So since the festival season is coming up, I'm expecting a good demand to be coming up in the auto index, especially on the auto sales. So once after the auto sales results has been released on Thursday, Friday, it has given a good move, at least a bit of recovery from the previous lows. So I'm expecting this season, I mean like festival season should bring more orders coming to the, especially on Tata Motors, Maruti. So if you see Maruti, it has already made three price hikes in this year, but still, if you see most of the commodity prices are being put on the consumer prices. So they are trying to position their, I mean like their positions in the auto sector as well, because EV space is trying to hit hard the auto sector. So the sectors in focus should be Nifty Auto and some of the Nifty IT and small caps and mid caps for the coming week. Coming to FIDE data, FA had Pfizer continues to, I mean, like continue to sell for the past 1 week. On Friday, they sold for 980 crores and DA had bought for 930 crores. So the selling continues from the FA side, and importantly, DAs are continue to support at these higher levels. Nifty metals, again, the commodity prices, the price hikes on the essentials are still hitting the Nifty metal index, and still it is struggling around that 5,200 to 5,000 levels. So once it breaks either side, that should be a good move. So as per my levels, 4,900, 4,800 has already touched. So I'm expecting this consolidation should continue from here, and it may be moving up or down based on the recovery post unlocks. PSU banks, PSU banks, I am expecting a good move. As I said in my previous video, for the next 2 to 3 months, I am expecting a good recovery on PSU banks, because once our unlock is done, because if you see sectorally, there is a an inequality in, I mean like unlock and the demands which comes from the rural and the infrastructure demands on the loans. So once that stabilizes, I am expecting PSU banks to perform well. There is also the news about central bank and IOB to get privatized. So personally, I'm seeing this as a, I mean, like a positive thing for PSU banks. So then a sector should be Nifty IT, some of the Nifty IT stocks based upon their, sorry, based upon their results in the coming week, and Nifty Auto. mid caps and small caps. So that's all, guys. I hope you like this content. Please like and subscribe, and please share with your friends. Thanks, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.